Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss important numericals from chapter Solution Physical Chemistry, class plus 2. So before we solve the numerical problems, let us see important formulas. Number 1, Pt is equal to Pa plus Pb. So Pt is the total vapor pressure of the solution. Pa is the partial pressure of the component A. Pb is the partial pressure of component B. So Pt is equal to Pa is Pa naught into Xa and Pb is Pb naught into Xb. So Pa naught is nothing but the vapor pressure of the pure component A and Pb naught is the vapor pressure of the pure component B. Xa is the mole fraction of the solvent and Xb is the mole fraction of the solute. Formula 2, P naught minus Ps P naught is equal to W2 by W1, W2 by M2 into M1 by W1, where P naught is the vapor pressure of the pure solvent, Ps is the vapor pressure of the solution, W2 is the weight of the solute, W1 is the weight of the solvent, M2 is the molar mass of the solute, M1 is the molar mass of the solvent. Third formula, delta Tb, elevation of boiling point, is equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 by M2 into W1. Delta Tb is called as elevation of boiling point, Kb is called as boiling point elevation constant. So delta Tb is nothing but Tb naught minus Tb. So delta Tf, Kf into W2 by into 1000 by M2 into W1. Delta Tf is the depression and freezing point and Kf is the freezing point depression constant. P is equal to Kh into X. P is the partial pressure of gas in vapor phase. Partial pressure of gas in vapor phase. X is the mole fraction of gas in solution and Kh is the Henry's last constant. So for isotonic solutions, the concentration of two solutions will be same. So C1 is equal to C2. C1 is nothing but W1 by M1 mass by molecular mass. C2 is W2 by M2. So this is for isotonic solutions. Whenever there is isotonic, we have to use this formula. Pi V is equal to nRT. N is the W by M. N is nothing but mass per molecular mass. Substituting this value, we can find the osmotic pressure. Problem number 1. Vapor pressure of liquid A and B at 298 Kelvin is 300 mm of mercury and 400 mm of mercury. Calculate the mole fraction of A in the mixture. Given the total vapor pressure of the solution as 405 mm of mercury. Answer. So let us write the given data first. Vapor pressure of the liquid A and B. So pure liquid A and pure liquid B. So Pa naught is equal to 300 mm of mercury and Pb naught is equal to 450 mm of mercury. So mole fraction of A is Xa. Total vapor pressure formula will be Pt. So Pt value is 405 mm of mercury. And we know that Pt is Pa plus Pb. So Pt is equal to, so I am using this formula, Pt is equal to Pa naught Xa plus Pb naught Xb. So substituting the values, Pt is 405, Pa is 300 into Xa plus Pb naught is 450 into Xb. And we know that Xa plus Xb is 1 and Xb is 1 minus Xa. So substituting it over there, so we will get 450 into 1 minus Xa. So 405 is equal to 300 Xa plus 450 minus 450 Xa. So 450 is taken to the left side becomes minus 450. So subtracting this value, I will get minus 150 XA. This is minus 45 is equal to minus 150 XA. So cancelling out minus, so we will get 45 by 150, that is approximately, that is equal to 0.3. So mole fraction of A is 0.3. So second problem, the vapor pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is 0.850 bar. When 0.5 grams of non-volatile solute is added to 39 grams of benzene, given the molar mass of benzene is 78 gram mole inverse, vapor pressure of the solution is 0.845 bar. What is the molar mass of the non-volatile solute? So let us first write the given data. Vapor pressure of the pure benzene means solvent, is 0.850 bar. 0.5 grams of non-volatile solute. So weight of the solute is given 0.5. The vapor pressure of the solution PS 0.845 bar. Solute weight is given. So I'm taking solute as 2 and solvent as 1. So which means weight of the solute W2 is 0.5 grams. So what is the molar mass of the non-volatile solute? So they are asking only molar mass, that is M2. M2 we have to calculate molecular mass of the solvent. W1 is equal to 39 grams. M1 is equal to 78 grams. Gram mole inverse. So we will have to use this formula, P naught minus PS. P naught is equal to W2 by M2 into M1 by W1. So substituting the known values, 850 minus 0.845 divided by 8.050 is equal to W2.5 M2 there. This is 78 by 39. So cancelling it out, 1 time, 2 time, 0.5 into 2 is 1. So I want only M2, so cross multiplying. So this into 1 is 0.850. Divided by, subtracting these two values, we will get 0.005. So 850 by 5, cancelling it out. So the answer is 170. Therefore, the molecular mass of solute is 170 gram.